Hello everyone. Hello students. Are you peace? Good students. Today we are going to learn about gender and Gadaa. Please remind us our previous episode. Good. In our the last lesson, we have seen the structures of Gadaa system from the Mahdi or family to the God. And also we have seen that in the Gadaa system, no single structure or individual can rule the country alone. Students, today we will compare gender in general and as Gadaa system. Gender is the attitude that the society divides based on sex or naturally given people's characteristics, people's job roles. In other words, gender is socially constructed. This gender structure may exist differently in different societies. This gender structure may exist differently in different societies. So we will see how gender is constructed as Gadaa system. The first is on births. According to the Gadaa system, the child or the ballet up to the grade of Gametica is called Ishe or she who is born male. However, women by ovulation explain them to mean that they are male and female 5 times if male and 4 times if female. This custom also known among in the Hadia people. The next one is during marriage. During marriage, we can analyze the gender construction. For example, traditionally, a man asks a girl to marry him, but a girl does not ask a man to marry her. Therefore, when we say that in full, which means a man has married her, and we mean that isheen heerumte for girls, she has been wedded. The other is on reproduction, and also during reproduction, we can analyze about gender characteristics. Here, if we say that for men, olfesu, it means impregnating, and we say that for women, ulfao, which means becoming pregnant. Moreover, it is based on heroism. Heroism is the most important in the Veda system. As we learned in the first chapter, it was the men who received the trainings in military affairs and heroism. The brave man is praised as a lion, and the courtman or active man as a clever. In contrast, the cold man who is afraid a woman. It does not mean to say women are not heroes, but women are not obligated because they do not participate in war. So they are going to blame him for making himself a woman. On the other hand, they call her a male by active woman who is a brave. This is intended to describe the heroism of a woman, but that does not mean she is sexually male. Lastly, with regard to social and political institutions, men and women can be distinguished. In other words, although Gadaa rituals involve women and men equally, there are those that are performed only for girls and women. For example, girls start building an organization called Adoye from the age of 16 before they get married. They also celebrate the Ingija ritual exclusively. Also, after marriage, women establish an institution called Sinke, and they also celebrate Atete alone. Students, let me ask you a question and write your answer in your notebook. What is the meaning of the underline "He is a woman" by a male who is afraid to go to war? You call it coward? Very good. Students, today generally we have learned gender which is socially constructed and varies in different societies based on its construction. And also we can explain gender as Gadaa system through birth, marriage, reproduction, and heroism. If you have a question, suggestion, and comments, please write under the comments so that we are end our lesson today. See you next time on the topic of laws in Gadaa system. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Odaa gurguddaa shanii damee shantamaa shanan jalattu hayyuutu seeratumaa hundeen heeraa shanii lallabni kumaa lamaan nalattu gadaa yookaan takkumaa. Odaa gurguddaa shanii damee shantamaa shanan jalattu hayyuutu seeratumaa hundeen heeraa shanii lallabni kumaa lamaan nalattu gadaa yookaan takkumaa. Sadattuu magarsu silaa kaalluu fuulduraan qaxxaamuranii fuuldura ulfaa dabarsu olleef qeerroo leenjisii abbaa duulaa saglii waraana Gadaa sirna keenya guddicha dirbiituudha gannee sanyiin wadaa bokkuu seeraa muka hundarraa muranii hegersa lattuu magarsu silaa kaalluu fuulduraan qaxxaamuranii fuuldura ulfaa dabarsu olleef qeerroo leenjisii abbaa duulaa saglii waraana Gadaa sirna keenya guddicha dirbiituudha gannee sanyiin wadaa. Seenaa qoratamee numne kanaa bontume nan jigsan jigsituutti jangamee qabume Gadaan galtu malee sabni gadoon fayyu furmaata lallabuudha qaba jaarsa fayyu. Seenaa qoratamee numne kanaa bontume nan jigsan jigsituutti jangamee qabume Gadaan galtu malee sabni gadoon fayyu furmaata lallabuudha qaba jaarsa fayyu. Weerarraan camnaan caba lafee lafa damnaan namni waliin oode akka sabaatitti nagaa deegee Gadaa deeffannaa sirna ofii galmatumaa shanitti addaan qoode injifatee